Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your iPad keyboard back to full screen from that tiny little floating one. Now that small keyboard actually has a couple perks. First, you get that one-handed typing vibe, kind of like on an iPhone or smaller device. Plus, you can see more of the app's screen while you type, swipe to type, and even drag the keyboard around wherever you want. But hey, if you don't like the mini keyboard and want to go back to the big, full-size traditional iPad keyboard, here's what you gotta do. Just use 2 fingers on the small keyboard and pinch out like you're zooming out. Boom, it'll snap back to full screen. If you ever want to shrink it again, just pinch in with 2 fingers and it'll go back to small. Now keep in mind, swipe typing doesn't work on the full-size keyboard, only on the small one. And that little bottom bar lets you move the floating keyboard anywhere on the screen, which is pretty handy. You can also swap that floating keyboard back to a bigger one real quick. Just hit the 3-dot bar and pick full to get the full-size keyboard. If you want to shrink it again to the floating style, just pinch in with 2 fingers. If the feature isn't working for some reason, no worries. Try restarting your iPad. Just press and hold the top power button until you see the power off slider. Or you can go to Settings, tap on General, scroll all the way down to Shutdown, and swipe to power off. Then turn it back on and give it another shot. That's it, pretty easy, and kinda cool once you know how. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button for more updates, and leave a comment if you need more help.